Are you a small business owner relying on PayPal for your sales and constantly wondering if there's a quick, easy way to get some extra cash to fuel your growth? Have you found yourself in a tight spot, needing funds for inventory, marketing, or unexpected expenses, but dreading the lengthy, complicated process of traditional bank loans? If so, you've probably heard whispers about PayPal working capital. But the big question remains, am I actually eligible to apply for it? So, let's dive deep into the heart of the matter. What exactly does it take to be considered eligible for PayPal working capital? Forget the vague promises and marketing jargon. We're going to break down the hard facts, the concrete requirements that PayPal lays out, and explore the nuances that can make or break your application. First and foremost, the most fundamental requirement, the absolute bedrock upon which all other criteria stand, is that you must have a PayPal business or Premier account. This isn't a suggestion, it's a non-negotiable. If you're currently operating with a personal PayPal account, you'll need to upgrade before you even think about applying for working capital. This makes perfect sense when you consider how the product works. PayPal working capital is intrinsically linked to your sales history through PayPal. They need to see a track record of business transactions to assess your eligibility and determine the terms of any potential advance. So, Step 1. Ensure your PayPal account is properly set up for business. Beyond simply having the right type of account, there's a time element. Your PayPal business or Premier account needs to have been active for at least 90 days. This isn't just about having an account. It's about demonstrating a consistent presence and operational history within the PayPal ecosystem. Think of it as a probationary period, where PayPal observes your transaction patterns to gauge your business's stability and activity. If you're a brand new business that just set up a PayPal account last week, you'll need to wait patiently for those 3 months to tick by. Now, let's talk about the big one, the metric that often causes the most confusion and anxiety, your sales volume. This is where the rubber meets the road, as PayPal working capital is essentially an advance based on your past PayPal sales. The exact figures vary slightly depending on your account type. If you have a PayPal business account, you need to have processed at least $15,000 USD in PayPal sales in the last 12 months. If you have a PayPal Premier account, this threshold increases slightly to at least $20,000 USD in PayPal sales in the last 12 months. This is a crucial point to grasp. It's not about your total business revenue. It's specifically about the sales processed through your PayPal account. So, if you have multiple payment gateways, or a significant portion of your sales happen offline or through other platforms, those sales won't count towards this particular eligibility requirement. PayPal needs to see the healthy, consistent flow of income directly through their system. Consider this. If your business generates $100,000 in annual revenue, but only $10,000 of that comes through PayPal, you wouldn't meet the minimum sales requirement for either account type. This highlights the importance of consolidating your sales through PayPal if you're seriously considering working capital as a funding option. Another critical and often overlooked eligibility factor is that you cannot have any outstanding PayPal working capital loans. This might seem obvious, but it's worth stating clearly. PayPal working capital is designed for single, sequential advances. You must fully repay your current loan and its associated fixed fee before you can apply for another. They won't layer advances on top of each other. Beyond these core requirements, it's also important to understand what PayPal working capital isn't. It's not a traditional loan with interest rates that fluctuate. Instead, it comes with a single fixed fee that you agree to up front. This fee is added to your advance amount, and you repay the total advance plus fee with percentage of your future PayPal sales. This model offers predictability in terms of cost, as you know the total amount you'll pay back from day one. There are no hidden charges, no late fees, and no penalties for early repayment. In fact, if you repay faster due to strong sales, you simply clear the advance sooner. The repayment mechanism is another key aspect of eligibility. When you apply and are approved, you will select a percentage of your future PayPal sales that will automatically go towards repaying your advance. This percentage can vary, and typically, a higher repayment percentage will lead to a lower fixed fee. This gives you some flexibility in managing your cash flow. However, there's a crucial caveat. A minimum payment is required every 90 days. while your daily repayments are tied to your sales volume, meaning you pay less on slow days and more on busy days. You must ensure you meet this minimum threshold every 3 months. If you don't, your loan could go into default and the entire outstanding balance might become due, potentially impacting your PayPal account. This minimum payment serves as a safety net for PayPal, ensuring a baseline level of repayment even during periods of low sales. What about credit checks? This is a point of significant relief for many small business owners. For PayPal working capital, there's typically no traditional credit check that impacts your personal credit score. The eligibility and loan amount are primarily based on your PayPal sales history and account activity. This is a huge advantage for businesses that might have a limited credit history or a less than perfect credit score, but demonstrate strong sales performance through PayPal. This focus on internal data rather than external credit reports makes the application process significantly faster and less burdensome. Speaking of the application process, it's designed to be quick and straightforward. If you meet the basic eligibility criteria, you can often complete the application in minutes directly within your PayPal business account. Since PayPal already has much of your business data, extensive documentation is usually not required. Once approved, the funds can be deposited into your PayPal account within minutes, a speed that traditional lenders simply can't match. This rapid access to capital can be a game changer for businesses facing immediate needs. Furthermore, while the focus is on PayPal sales, maintaining a healthy overall business profile is always beneficial. This includes good financial management practices, a clear understanding of your cash flow, and a plan for how you intend to use the working capital. While not direct eligibility requirements, these factors contribute to the overall health and sustainability of your business, making any form of financing more effective. Understanding these criteria is the first, most vital step in determining if PayPal working capital is the right financial tool for your business. It's a powerful option for businesses that are deeply integrated into the PayPal ecosystem and need quick, flexible access to funds based on their existing sales performance. It's not a magic bullet for every business, but for those who fit the profile, it can be an invaluable resource for growth and stability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.